What's up guys, Kenny here, aka Texas 3IS, and today we are doing a lower control arm bushing install. This is just to help fix the toe in on the alignment for the inner tire wear. This car, 3IS, even 2IS, whenever we brake, all the load and weight gets shifted to the front, putting pressure on the bushings, which are soft rubber compound, causing inner tire wear because the wheel's supposed to sit like this, zeroed out, but when it brakes and the load pushes in, it toes in. And I'll insert a picture so y'all can see it visually. But we got the bushings here. These OEM RCF GSF lower control arm bushings. And let me show y'all the toe wear on my tires right now. So the worst is my driver's side. It's showing wire on the inner side, so it's towing in. If it's towing out, it would be right here. But yeah, and that's the bushing, the driver's side bushing that we are gonna swap out. Well, we're gonna swap out the driver and the passenger, but I'm just showing you that it's right there, easily accessible. You just need to lift your car from the front jack point and then you should be able to do this. There's two different part numbers for this. This is the driver's side part number right here and the passenger side right here. And also you can tell because bigger hole right here, which is the 22mm, will be on the top and going in, and then this flat edge right here will be showing outside towards the back of the car. And then this curved fillet part right here is going to be pointing towards the front of the engine. So yeah, this is driver's side part number, which is 76, and then the passenger side, which is 75. And these are OEM RCF GSF bushings. They're a little bit harder compound than the 3IS and 2IS rubber bushings, so this should help us fix our inner tire wear. And I paid a whopping like $111 for this. They were listed for $75 each, so I would have paid like $150 for them, but I got them for $55 something each. That was the total. This Lexus website right here got like discount on OEM parts, so y'all should go hit them up. Yeah, there's always like a coupon code for them. You can just Google like Bell Lexus coupon or promo code and you're guaranteed to find one because that's how I got this good price. Let's check up the car and start tackling this. I got the car jacked up and I'm gonna show y'all a better view of the inner tire wear there. That's the wire showing. Check that out. All just because of that little part right there. Yeah, let's get to uninstalling it. Okay, so there's 3 sockets that you're gonna need. This one's a 14. These 2 in here are 14s also. This is a 22. This is a 22, and there's one right here, nut and bolt. It's a 17, and the bolt is on top, so careful not to drop that. So right now we're gonna just drop this part of the cross frame and move on from there. All right, so get loose. So there's 114 in there. That's a little stubby. So let's see if this one's actually will work. Alright, got it. There we go. Those 2. Now I'm gonna take off this 22 right here. Loose. Just like that. And this bracket comes out also. We could just pull this down and use a 17 on there, but there's a nut on the top of the bolt, so just be careful with that. Don't forget, there's a nut on top. I'm just spinning the nuts on the top, and there it is, and the bolt should fall in there. Yep, comes out at an angle. There's gonna be a washer on it also. So yeah, 22 nut and washer right there. Just need a breaker bar to get some leverage right here and give this room to move out. So yeah, let's see. All right, I think I need 10 mil to take this off right here. 1, just a little screw. Oh, we got it. There it is, guys. Holy moly. Okay, so this is the way that I was looking at it when I was pulling it out. So like I said, the flat side is pointing to the back of the car, and then this other side, which has a fillet inner edge in there, is going to be pointing towards the engine. And there's a marking on there also, the little dot. The part number 48076 right here. Mine doesn't have a lot of wear on it. Well, there's a little cracking right there. You can see. Yeah, looks worn out, looks dry. But yeah, now we just reverse the steps basically, and we'll put this on. As you can see in there, there's a little corrosion because it's metal on metal contact in there. This one too. So we're just gonna grease up the little holders for it. We're gonna grease it up right there. There's no corrosion on this itself, but we're still gonna grease it up since this is metal and it's gonna be making metal contact. And I don't want any like squeaking when I'm braking or, you know, knocking sounds, anything like that. So it doesn't hurt to grease it up in here. It's not gonna ruin the functionality of it or anything like that. It just prevents corrosion, squeaking, and that much. Like so. And get your hand all messy like that. Now we're good to add this new lower control arm bushing back. Remember, the flat side faces you. The dot goes to the driver's side. 22 has a bigger hole, so yeah. And the filleted edge inside goes towards the motor. Whew, that was not bad at all. There we go. Literally all you have to do is lift the car, turn the wheel so you can get some clearance, and you should be able to do this at home with any hand tools, not using any power tools. Weaklings. Yeah, now we can slightly thread these back on and then torque them down to spec. The washer went on this side, and then the 22. Just gonna hand tighten everything for now. 17 bolts and a 17 nut. Remember, it goes on the top. There's a little access point through the top of this piece right here at an angle, just like so. And we're gonna hand thread the nut. We got to add this piece back on, remember? So this piece goes like this. The larger 22 goes right through. Thread it on. Got these 14s right here. Okay, now that we got all these hand tightened in, before I put this lower brace bolted up, I'm gonna torque down the 17 mil because that's the only way we can get access for my tool in there. The 17 mil goes to 63 foot-pounds. Alright, that's 63. The middle one's 83 foot-pounds, and then this one is 143. Alright, that's 83, and then this one is, I believe, 143 foot-pounds. So that one's good, and now these little 14s here, they all get torqued to the same spec. They're all going to be 42 foot-pounds here. Alright, so yeah, now I'm gonna just time-lapse the passenger side because it's basically the same thing, just a different side, and yeah, we'll get finished, wrapped up. Now we are going to get some front tires mounted. I did run Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, but couldn't really wait for shipping. I need this done today because, you know, I work and I have school, and I just picked these up. They're just some Nexen N3000, so they'll just get me here and there for now, and they're summer tires, whatever. It's better than what I have right now. So let's get the car lowered, get the tires balanced, mounted, and get in alignment. By the way, that install only took like 45 minutes, and that was just with hand tools. So if you have power tools, you probably knock it out in like 30 minutes, honestly. The only hardest part was just like using the breaker bar to lower the control arm. You're fighting the suspension travel, so, but it's still doable. Pretty easy mod for what it costs.
Hurry the f up!
Or we just got to Acura with Gonna do my tires and alignment.
Yeah, it's fine. Put a.
Oh, you can scoot it over. Is that a bump? Damn! we got kicked out. Guess a liability issue, don't want to get him fired. Let him do his thing, you know?
Get your souvenirs.
We're back in the shop. Make sure you get his alignment from him, guys. He makes it work.
Your car is too low, so these are attached to the side in order to attach to the wheel. When it goes, it won't go in. Rule number 1, don't lower your car, kids. It's a pain in the ass. On top of that, it was scraping on its way in. It was like banging something underneath on the undercarriage. Wait, we could curse on your channel, right?
I'll put some boop, bleep, boop, boop. Oh, look at the starlights.
Yep. So your car should drive straight with me.
What? Okay. Hi. Oh, here's my old tires. Pretty worn. This is Ung's car. Trash.
Ah, damn.
Oh yeah, my toe wasn't that bad, but he zeroed it out. Now we're good. Alright, so that's it for the video. We just did lower control arm bushings, as y'all saw. Got alignment and the tires installed, mounted and balanced by Ung. Shout out to him, thank you for that. Pretty easy job, guys. Y'all could do this in your driveway, except for the alignment and mounting tires, unless you have the machines to do it. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully y'all learned something out of this or gained some knowledge out of it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.